information technology and electronic industry. This industry is growing again in a fast way as the transistor set to television to the computer. This telecommunication industry have which is areas, especially in Bangalore, as a capital of the entire information technology. It's also important centers growing in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, etc. STPI, that is Software Technology Park of India, is set up in 46 locations mentioned here. They are major one, that is Bangalore, Noida and Mumbai, Hyderabad and Pune, Chennai. Near about it engaging about 30% of our population, especially in the sector for women. It is also giving a outsourcing, that is business process outsourcing, for the rapid growth in the employment sector, and the hardware and software is the key to the success of IT industry in India. So this is the automobile industry, that is cable manufacturing facility, again comes in the IT sector. Then this is the gas turbine rotator, all right, it is in Hyderabad. Now this is all we have discussed about the industry, different types of industries. Okay, each and every concept we have understood with the places. Now what is the drawback of these industry? Is it having some bad effect on the environment? Is it having some bad effect on our natural resources? Yes, it is having so it is just degrading our environment, and especially the four main dominant resources: land, water, air. Okay, and the noise pollution is one of the factor. We will go one by one for understanding all the problems that it polluting are all the airs. So caused by a presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, airborne particulates, and contain both solid liquid dust spray. These are all so micro in particles that it is not tangible, or it is not directly seen in the air. So it is very toxic. It goes to the while we are inhaling, and it just pollute our health condition. Animals are also affected by this, plant is also. Then you have a water pollution. All the discharge of the influence from the chemical industry, rubber industry, or other cotton textile industries, they are directly thrown without treatment in the water, which again create a polluting water bodies. Gypsum, iron, if it is mixed with the water, it have a very drastic problems in our health, especially for the aquatic animals and ourself also. Thermal population. What is thermal population? Water occurs when hot water from factory and thermal plant is drained into a river and pond before cooling. What would be the effect on the adequate life? तो thermal pollution क्या होता है? जब कोई भी डिस्चार्ज किया पानी अगर वो गर्म है, फॉर एग्जांपल केमिकल इंडस्ट्री में गर्म पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ती होगी, तो उसको बिना कूल डाउन किए अगर हम डायरेक्टली रिवर्स के अंदर उसको छोड़ दें, तो आपकी एक्वेटिक लाइफ जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाएगी. इससे क्या इश्यूज़ होंगे? दैट यू हैव अ कैंसर इश्यूज़, बर्थ डिफेक्ट्स, मिसकैरेजेस, okay, leading to a salt and garbage renders the soil useless. Okay, so huge population that we cannot imagine that can be lead to. So noise pollution is one more thing that that irritation, anger, heart rate, it increases, blood pressure. These are all a physiological effect that we cause due to the industries, construction activities, machinery areas, factory equipment generation. तो जो भी लोग फैक्ट्री के आसपास रहते हैं और दिन रात अगर एक ही आवाज़ सुनते हैं, that will cause some of the very diverse effect in their life and in their health. Control of environmental degradation. So what are the procedures which we can use to stop these degradation? So some of the steps that can be industries has taken, and now there is a policy that has to be signed by all the industries that they have to look after the environment area also, and they will maintain some area for the environment. So minimum use of water processing by reusing recycling. So water आप बनाए इस्तेमाल करें, reuse recycle का इस्तेमाल करें. Harvesting of rain water to meet the water requirements. So they have to construct the rain water harvesting to their terrace to treat the rain water. Okay, then hot water is to be treated first inside the industry and then it is exited. Then primary treatment chemical means, that is screening, greening and flocating, the process by which the small particle of a fine soil and sediment aggregated into a larger lumps. और पानी को पहले हटाने से पहले हम उसको अच्छे से फ्लोक्यूएशन करेंगे. फ्लोक्यूएशन मतलब अच्छे से हम उसको छानेंगे कि उसको बारीक चीज़ें भी ना, गंदी बारीक चीज़ें भी आपके रिवर के साथ मिक्स ना हो. बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस पे ध्यान देंगे. देन टर्शरी जो सेकंड पता चल गया. थर्ड है कि बायोलॉजिकल, केमिकल, फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस. दिस इन्वॉल्व रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ अ वेस्ट वाटर, यानी कि आपके एक्वाटिक लाइफ को बचाने के लिए आप जितने भी डैमेज या गार्बेज या अनट्रीटेड वाटर भेज रहे थे पहले, अब ऐसा आप नहीं करेंगे. दैट यू विल बी ट्रीटेड द वाटर फर्स्ट एंड देन यू विल डिलीवर टू द फ्रेश वाटर. ऑलराइट, so this is the thing that is discussed here. There is a NTPC. NTPC, what is this? This is a major power providing corporation in India. All right, it is certified ISO environmental management system and this is their code. And what it says that optimum utilization of equipment, adopted latest techniques and upgrading the existing equipment. अगर आप ध्यान में भी दें तो गवर्नमेंट जो है कुछ ऐसे मशीन्स होते हैं जिनको मना कर देती हैं, क्योंकि सभी की एक लिमिट के बाद जो प्रोड्यूसिंग पावर होती है, जो गिविंग पावर होती है, वो कम होने लगती है, या तो उनकी जो क्वालिटी है वो उसमें चेंजेस आने लगते हैं, जिससे वो अनवांटेड चीज़ों को भी अपने प्रोसेस के साथ उसको जनरेट करने लगते हैं, चाहे वो केमिकल इंडस्ट्री में हो, चाहे वो कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में हो. तो ऐसे इंडस्ट्री में कहा गया है कि आप टेक्निक के साथ बदलते रहिए और नए से नए टेक्नोलॉजी को इस्तेमाल करिए. मिनिमाइजिंग द वेस्ट जनरेशन बाय द मैक्सिमम ऐश यूटिलाइजेशन. आप ऐश को इस्तेमाल करिए. भी आप देखेंगे हाल ही में, अगर यू विल गो टू द मेट्रो सिटीज, दे यूज द एशेस, ओके, द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट एज देयर बेस फॉर बिल्डिंग अप द बिल्डिंग्स. ओके, प्रोवाइडिंग ग्रीन बेल्ट बनाया जाता है सो दैट वी कैन बैलेंस द नॉइज पोल्यूशन. ओके, एफॉरेस्टेशन इज टू बी यूज्ड, बैलेंस एंड equal development is to be carried out, reducing environmental pollution, management of liquid waste, ecological monitoring, review on the line database management of all its power station. So each and every check has to be taken so that nothing resource is to be disturbed or to be exploited. So this is all the chapters explanation I have covered up, and I will provide you the question answer. Once try these chapters question answers on your own, you will find very interesting while you are solving it. Okay, this is a very good chapter. Thank you class.